Hi all you awesome people. Now that you're ready to start elimination communication, this video will focus on what you really need to start EC. It's less than you think. I explained in this video how to start EC if you missed that. At the end of this video, I'll talk about the specific items on the market that are designed specifically for elimination communication. Everything that I'm going to talk about will be linked in the description box below, videos and items as well. So there are specific items on the market that you could buy if you want to do elimination communication, but it's really not necessary to take the plunge. There's only two items that you really need to start this journey, and that is a baby and a receptacle of some sort to catch the pee and poop. That's it. Now you can start your elimination communication journey today. End of the video. Just kidding. All right. So for real though, you really do need a basin of some sort, and that could be something like this to catch the pee or poop in. It can be a container even, a top hat potty, which is super popular. Another thing is a little mini potty or the IKEA small potty that you can have your baby sit in. Another great item is a top hat potty. That's really easy to use. You can put it between your legs as you hold your baby in this position on your lap. Or if you don't want to spend the $20 for the top hat potty, I don't blame you. I did not, and I did this successfully. You can get any of the potties with the inserts that come right out, just like this. And you can put this between your legs, this baby Bajorn, and there's an IKEA one that also is like this. And you can just hold the baby over the potty insert and let the baby pee. Now the baby, when they're super tiny, they're actually not going to sit on the potty. You're just going to hold them by the legs and support them on the back to make them comfortable, and then let them urinate and poop. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anissa, and I summarize chapters from various parenting books into short videos every Friday. I also provide content on our own parenting style, which is a video that you're watching now. Let's get on with the rest of the video. You can actually start EC anytime between 0 to 18 months. That's the general rule. I started at 3 weeks. Some people start right at birth. You can also start at 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 13. If your little one is 18 months or older, then you just want to go straight to potty training and skip elimination communication. And I have a video that's here on my 10 tips to do that. Personally, I would go straight to potty training, or if you want to call it early potty training, if your baby is walking at a intermediate level or like super confident, and skip elimination communication entirely. Do I have to use cloth diapers? No, you can use disposable diapers and still do EC. Another question is, do I need a top hat potty? No, you don't. You can use another different potty, such as this insert, and you can use it like a top hat potty. Some people actually just take a bowl and use that. This can also be done with a regular toilet, a sink, a tub, the shower. When you're out and about, you have the option of the concrete, the dirt, the bushes. I think you get the picture. Do I need to do diaper-free time? No, you don't. While observing for cues is really great, if you don't see any cues or you can't find any cues that your baby is doing, it's not the end. You can still do EC. I think a lot of people quit when they don't see any cues because there's such a focus on it in the EC community. Other than the basics, you'll want a good cleaning routine for pee and poop. For pee, you just want to pour out the pee and then rinse the container. So you can use just plain water, or if you want, you could put soapy water or use a disinfectant of your choice. What about when we're traveling? When we are traveling, we just dump the pee out where we are at the moment, and that could be the concrete or patch of dirt. If a dog can pee there, then why can't I just pour out a little bit of pee? I mean, honestly, their pee is like minuscule. For us, we leave this little potty in the trunk of the car, and so when we're out and about, she'll pee in here, and I'll just dump it on the concrete or patch of dirt, and then I leave a little towel in the car to just wipe up the rim. When I get home, I'll wash it out. If you don't want that approach, or you're more of a germaphobe, then you can leave some disinfectant wipes in the car and wipe it out, and then leave a doggy bag and put the trash in there and clean it out again once you're home or somewhere that you can wash it out. For poop, dump the poop in the toilet and flush it down. Then use a good disinfectant, or again, soapy water, and wash out the container, and you're ready to go again. Out and about, I've taken the little potty that we keep in the car into a public restroom, and then I'll dump the contents in the toilet, wash it out there, and follow the process again. If there's no public restroom, then what I'll do is I'll take a doggy bag, dump the contents of the potty in the doggy bag, wrap it up, and leave it in the throw it in the trash. If that doesn't work, then what we do is we take a doggy bag and we dump the contents in the doggy bag and throw it in the trash. The potty, we'll clean it out later when we can, and we'll just take like a grocery bag and put the potty in there and leave it in the trunk of the car. On long road trips, if we don't have a good place to dump the poop, then what I'll do is I'll just take a grocery bag, put the entire potty that's dirty in the grocery bag, tie it up, leave it in the trunk of the car, then drive until I can find a place to properly dispose and clean everything. As I said, all the videos mentioned in this video and items will be linked in the description box below if you want to check those out yourself. Now, if you love to go shopping, here are some items that are specifically designed for EC. The top hat potty from Go Diaper Free, about $20. If you're looking something for more budget friendly that is useful for a newborn, infant, and to toddlers, then you can check out a potty with an insert in it. This is the Baby Bajorn, about $20 as well. The insert itself is $10. The mini potty is the smallest floor potty that you can get on the market. And this is designed so it's really short, and when the baby's sitting on the potty, their feet are touching the floor so they feel grounded. If you're on a tighter budget than that, then you can always get the IKEA small potty. This one's only $5, and that one is the second smallest potty out there for little babies. There is also specific diapers and pants designed specifically for elimination communication, but you don't need those to start your journey with EC today. To recap, all you really need is a baby and some receptacle of some sort. So take the plunge. You can start your elimination communication journey today. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome, and with love from the Kacheng family to yours, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.